In this video, we're going to talk about graphing the vertex form of a parabola. There are two ways of writing a quadratic function or a parabola. The first one is the standard form, which is called this. And the second one is the vertex form, which is written like this, okay? In which h and k are the coordinates of the vertex, okay? So if the quadratic function is actually given to you in vertex form, you can be happy for that because the vertex is given to you right away and you don't need to do any calculations. Just pay attention to the fact that if there are any numbers next to x, then you need to find the vertex in another format. So I'm going to give you an example. This, and I'm going to graph it for you. So again, a is positive, so it's going to be a minimum. A here that you see is 2, and it's greater than 0, so it's going to be a minimum. So you can find the vertex right away. The negative is in the formula, so don't mistake that the vertex is going to be actually -2 and +3. No, the negative is in the formula, so you have to consider the number that is here. So it's going to be 2 and 3. That's going to be the vertex. Then you're going to have a chart. You're going to put the vertex in the middle, and you're going to substitute something less, anything more. So for the less, I'm going to substitute 0. If I substitute 0 into the equation, it's going to be y is equal to 2 times 0 minus 2 to the power of 2 plus 3. Order of the operation, first you have to start with the parentheses. It's going to be -2 to the power of 2, 4. 2 times 4 plus 3. So it's going to be 8 plus 3. It's going to be 11. And if I want the points to be equidistant, so I won't do much, then I'm going to substitute 4 for that, and I'm going to have the same y, because a parabola is a symmetrical figure. So I mostly need positives, and let's have the graph. So it's going to be 0 and 11, 2 and 3, and then it's going to be 4 and 11. And I'm going to plot the points in form of a curve, a parabola, looking like this. So yeah. And I'm going to do another one for you. Let's say -2x plus 1 to the power of 2 minus 1. So over here, as you see, a is negative, so the graph is going to have a minimum. Pay attention, guys. The vertex here is going to be -1 and -1. Teacher, why -1? Because you're supposed to create the minus that you have on the formula. So it's actually x minus -1 to the power of 2 minus 1, right? So the h is going to be -1. That's the thing that I have to point out, and I need you to pay attention to. So again, I'm going to have the chart. X, y, -1, -1. And I'm going to have something less, something more. For something more, I'm going to choose 0. For something less, I'm going to choose -2. They're going to be equidistant. So if I substitute 0 into that equation, it's going to be -3. And this one is going to be the same. I mostly need negative numbers. So it's going to look like this. Okay. So it's -1 and -1 here. That's the vertex. It's -2 and -3 and 0 and -3. I will plot the points in form of a curve. And as you can see, we have a maximum here. And here we had a minimum. That is it. Wish you all a great day.